Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we are going to weave a little heart just in time for Valentine's Day. The weaving technique is fairly simple, but it's very easy to make a mistake. I know I had to undo multiple rows, so let's be attentive and carefully look at each row before moving on to the next. The weaving for this pattern looks best using 12 strands. At least that's my personal preference. I love how full it looks with 12 as opposed to 6, but hey, if you like the look of 6, go for it. For the tutorial, I will be using 6 strands because the lines are more noticeable on video as I weave. To start, make sure you use your fine awl. That's the walnut with the green cap, to pierce the card. If you are not sure about that step, please watch the video on getting started. I'll link it on the top right corner and in the video description. Okay, let's get weaving. We need to start by stitching the center vertical line. Hold on to your end thread with your finger until we can secure it with other stitches. When you get to this point where you are back next to where you began, lay your end over the holes and simply stitch over it to secure it. Complete half of the heart and secure your thread onto surrounding stitches. We will be doing a lot of this throughout the video and the other card embroidery patterns to avoid having an excessive bumpy and messy back. When you finish off the other half of the vertical lines, our first horizontal line will be at the very bottom of the heart. It will go below the center vertical line. From here on out, you will weave each horizontal line by alternating an over-under sequence. Again, this isn't difficult, but can very easily get confusing. A few tips when weaving. I prefer to go at an angle. I know some folks when weaving prefer to turn their needle and use the blunt end to avoid snagging, but for me that never feels natural. Another thing that can be helpful is to use the reverse side of your awl to help push and align the lines as you weave. And there you go, all done. You can also go around the heart with 2 strands to give the shape more definition. I hope you had fun stitching this pattern up, and I hope you'll share your work. Thanks.